Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's mandala is a gentle invitation to reconnect with pleasure, abundance, and emotional harmony. As you watch or paint along, let each dot remind you that life was meant to be enjoyed softly, deeply, and freely. Bring your awareness to your lower belly. Visualize a radiant orange lotus flower is resting there. Its petals slowly open with your breath. The lotus petals are opening one by one, releasing your tension, worry, fear, or guilt. Now imagine a golden orange waterfall flowing from above your head, cascading down through your spine, reaching your lower belly. This waterfall washes away heaviness. Every drop carries away old pain. Every drop carries away old pain, shame, and emotional stiffness. You feel lighter, more open, and at ease. As I continue painting, imagine these mandala dots forming in your energy and your energy field, where each dot is pulsing a lot of abundance. Each circle is giving you a wave of pleasure. You are surrounded by warmth and beauty. The world feels so soft here, slower, more sensual. The air itself hums with creative potential like yours. Take a deep breath in. Feel the richness of life entering your being. Feel the colors, the sounds, and the sensations. You deserve this ease. You deserve this comfort. You deserve the joy that flows without guilt. Now silently say to yourself, I am open to receiving. I am open to pleasure. I am open to the sweetness of life. Let the rhythm of mandala mirror your own natural rhythm, steady, harmonious, and infinitely abundant. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat mentally or out loud. I deserve pleasure, abundance, and joy. I deserve pleasure, abundance, and joy. I honor my emotions and let them move freely. I honor my emotions and let them move freely. Life flows through me in beautiful and creative ways. Life flows through me in beautiful and creative ways. I am open to receiving love and prosperity. My body and spirit are radiant with harmony. Take a deep breath again. As you exhale, imagine that golden orange waterfall flowing around you, sailing this healing energy within. Carry this lightness, this joy, this sense of receiving into your day. When you're ready, you can share in the comments what emotions did you release, what negative emotions did you release, and what abundance are you ready to welcome in.